So the next topic of the discussion is different types of the flow. So first flow is my steady and unsteady flow. So what is my steady and unsteady flow? So basically, according to statement or according to understanding, the steady flow is defined where the fluid characteristics like my velocity, pressure, density cannot be changed with respect to the time. Okay. So in case of steady flow, in case of steady flow, velocity, density, pressure, etc. at a point do not change with respect to time. It means that simply suppose this is my flow field and at this point the velocity dv by dt is not changing. It means that the value of dv by dt is my 0, or you can say del p by del t is equal to 0, or you can say del rho by del t is equal to 0. It means that there is no change of the characteristics like my velocity, pressure and density with not changing with respect to the time. While in case of my unsteady flow, the velocity, pressure, density is not constant, or you can say it may be possible the value will change according to the time or with respect to the time. So we can write in case of my unsteady flow, the del v by del tau t is not equal to 0. Del p by del t is not equal to 0, and del rho by del t is not equal to 0. Okay. So it may be possible the velocity, pressure, density may be changed, or you can say that there is no change of fluid characteristics when we are assuming my flow is steady flow, and in case of unsteady flow the characteristics will not remain same with respect to the time. Okay.